guys, Namaste. Welcome to Ankinish Creations. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing two pot decoration ideas inspired from Gota work. Gota patti or Gota work is a type of Indian embroidery that originated in Rajasthan, India. Outfits with Gota work are worn at auspicious functions in Rajasthan. It is my passion to make unique artworks inspired from our traditional Indian culture. So if you are interested in learning more about ancient art inspired artworks, then you can subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified of my future videos. And now let's get started with this video. I'm using terracotta pot for this project, and before painting, we must clean our pot with a damp cloth to remove any dust on its surface to paint nicely. Painting, I'm using Fevicryl black acrylic paint to paint a black layer on my pot, and one coat of black paint was enough for this. Once the paint has dried, now our pot is ready to be decorated. I'm keeping two foam brush at both the sides of the pot like this, taki pot hile na when we are decorating it. And I'm going to be using this Gota patti and this Gota flowers to decorate my pot. For sticking my decoration, I'm using this Fevicryl fabric glue. It's the best, and I'll stick my Gota flower in the center first using this glue, and then I'll make flower petals using Gota patti. After this, I'll start sticking the Gota pattis to make flower petals. So I'll stick 4 Gota pattis on 4 sides of the flower first, and then we'll stick more pattis in between. With this fabric glue, this Gota patti is sticking very nicely to the pot and they will be very durable. थोड़ा बहुत glue अगर बाहर निकल के भी आ जाए तो don't worry, it will dry clear and you'll not be able to see once it's dried. Now I'll start sticking second layer of my petals. So पहले के 2 petals के बीच में I'm going to stick 1 petal like this. Now for the third layer of petals, I was thinking of 2 patterns, one like this inward side में और एक outward side में. So I went on with the outward then. If you have any confusion कि कैसे अपने petals को stick करना है, I mean कैसा वो दिखेगा, so you can place it without sticking it with the glue first ताकि एक idea आ जाए कि वो कैसा दिख रहा है, and then you can go on and stick with the glue. For the fourth layer, I'm again repeating the second layer वाला pattern, 2 petals के बीच में एक petal लगाने का. मैंने ये पहले कभी भी try नहीं किया था. This was my first time trying Gota patti वाला decoration on pot, and I'm really happy with how the way this looks at the end. So yeah, for the 5th layer, we are sticking again what we did in the 3rd layer, 2 petals लगाकर outwards की side, and जहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ border आए ना, where there is a level change, तो पहले एक side की पत्ती को अच्छे से चिपकने दो, then you can stick ऊपर के side की पत्ती, otherwise वो निकलती रहेगी. And this completes our patti decoration on the pot. Now for the border, I am choosing this orange acrylic paint to match the middle flower wala orange border, and I'll paint a thin border on the top of the pot like this. And with this, our first pot decoration is ready. I really loved it. It looks so unique and elegant. Let me know, what do you think? For this next pot, I am giving it a base of an orange acrylic paint. I added 2 layers of orange paint with brush, letting each layer dry completely, and then I added 3rd layer with a round sponge like this to even out all the orange shade on the pot, and then I'll let it dry completely. For decorating this pot, I'm using the small Gota flowers of golden and orange shade, and I'm using again Fevicryl fabric glue to stick the flowers on the edge of the pot like this. I'm purposely sticking them thoda upar niche and not in straight line to give it a raw look. I'll link all the materials in the description box below, but you can also find all these materials at your local work wali dukan in your city. Ask them for gota flowers and gota patti, you'll easily find them. Ab I'll let all this glue dry completely, and initially my plan was to decorate this pot only like this, but मुझे थोड़ा सा खाली खाली लगा, so I'm making some abstract geometric shapes on this pot using some washi tape, and I'm painting in those shapes using black acrylic paint to match it with the previous pot. मुझे ये एक set जैसा बनाना था, so to match that black color on the pot I painted little bit of abstract design on this pot, and then we are done with this pot as well. After removing the tape, I'll fix थोड़ी बहुत बिगड़ी हुई जो edges है black paint की, and I'll also paint the bottom side of the pot just because मेरा paint बच गया था black निकाला हुआ, so उसको use करने के लिए I didn't want it to waste it. And now we are done with our second pot as well. I really loved both of this pot as a set. वो इतने सुंदर लग रहे थे, इतने unique और elegant. I really loved it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below which pot you liked the most, and also like this video if you liked it. Share it with your friends and family. हमारे Indian art को और grow करने के लिए, like if you are interested in all this DIYs, please subscribe. Let's reach to 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Love Pink Creative. Oh yeah, I'll be sharing some artworks created by you guys which you have shared with me. So yeah, here comes all those artworks.